What you doing?
Looking.
What's up, Lil?
Nothing.
Bradley approach, Cherokee 44794, level 5,500.
Cherokee 44794, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3077.
3077794.
Cessna 44 Golf, traffic 11 o'clock and 3 miles northbound, altitude indicating descending 3,900, unverified.
We'll be looking for the traffic 354 for Golf.
Cessna 44 Golf, that traffic's no factor. He's going to pass well off your left.
Thanks, 354 for Golf.
I tried.
1 second. Okay, well, you got the plane. Make sure you keep turning this way, because it wants to go this way. Billy Plus, flying the plane.
What altitude is it supposed to be at?
5,500. Want to follow this line here. Nice to look out the window so you know where you're going. Great.
Bradley approach, Bonanza 6, 9er November, level 8,500. Direct Bradley with uniform.
Bonanza 6, 9er November, Bradley approach, altimeter 3077, make straight in runway 33.
Straight in 33, Bonanza 6, 9er November.
How you doing, Lil?
Good, I think.
Well, you're not crashing us. That's good.
That's always a good thing.
Yeah, you're holding altitude. You gotta turn back to the right.
I'm trying.
See, this is the turn coordinator. That little plane turns a certain way. Okay, a little turn back a little bit. Good.
Is that good?
Yeah, keep it like that. Keep going. Good. Like a video game, right?
Yeah. Except
Okay,
a
you're
little
turning
bit
in the
more
wrong direction.
dangerous.
You're gonna go to the right. It's a little bit more dangerous, yes. That's understatement.
Approach, Bonanza 6, 9er November would like to start a VFR descent.
Bonanza 9er November, descend your discretion.
9er November.
Hey, you're turning the wrong way. Turn back. I'll stay on 2-1.
On 120.05 until further notice. Construction tower, 5 nautical miles west southwest, 270 feet MSL, light out of service. Caution birds on the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information Delta. Long Island Airport, information Delta 1256 Zulu, wind 090 at 13, visibility 10, sky conditions, few clouds 4,000, scatter clouds 25,000, temperature 4, dew point -5, altimeter 3069. Visual approach and use, landing and departing, runway 6. Notice to airmen, New York departure frequency 118.0.
For a first-time flyer, I'm doing pretty good.
Just listen to
Contact New York departure on 120.05 until further notice. Construction tower, 5 nautical miles west southwest, 270 feet MSL, light out of service. Caution birds on the vicinity of the airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information Delta.
Okay, I'm going to take us, put us back here. Okay, now when someone takes the plane, you say, I have the controls, and you say, you have the controls. That's what you say. When you switch controls, you say, I have the controls. You say, you have the controls. Say, you have the controls.
You have the controls?
Right.
Okay.
That way everybody knows who's flying the plane. You don't want to think someone else is flying the plane, and the other guy thinks the other guy's flying the plane, and nobody's flying the plane.
I did pretty good for a first time.
You did very good, brother.
Cessna 404 Golf, contact New York approach 124.07.
12407, have a nice day. New York approach, Skyhawk 3544 Golf, it's at 4500.
3544 Golf, thanks. Information Delta current, expect runway 6 at 0 slope.
We have Delta, thank you.